Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday, and I'm excited to be speaking to you today. And we're going to talk about, and just say hello, and talk about math and what your plan is to do for Miss Ivory's class for math. So, one thing you're going to need is some type of device that will allow you to access the internet. And so I've got my laptop, and I'm going to show you how to find a few things today. So if you will go on your laptop, I'm going to click on my Chrome. You may have Windows operating system. It doesn't matter. I'm going to, well, actually, let me try this. Let's just say I have a page like this. I want to get to the Symbaloo page. You can type in EICKINSONISD dot and then the word Symbaloo, SYMBALL, oops, I'm not two L's, OO.com. And that will get you to your Symbaloo page. Or you can go through DickinsonISD.org, scroll down, and you'll find Symbaloo. Help your parents. They may not understand what Symbaloo is, but I know you guys do, and you can show them how smart and awesome you are on your technology. All right, so on this first row of icons, we're going to go all the way over to the right. And right here with this little chalkboard and ball-headed person looks like a person, we're going to click on Google Classroom. And that's going to take you to this page here. Because you've already entered your code for Miss Ivory, you're not going to have to re-enter it. It's only for new students who've never joined my class. Once you join a class, you do not have to enter that code again. You're going to look for the green gator that says 2019 4th grade math and click on that, please. And that will get you to this page. Mine's going to look a little different than yours because mine's a teacher website. So mine includes grades. And yours is probably just going to have stream and classwork. So if you scroll down here under the stream tab, you will see that I have posted some things for you to look at throughout the week. Right here, if you click on this link here, and then click on this link here, it's going to take you straight to the Prodigy app, which you can enter your username and password, or you can sign in with your Google account. Since you're using Google Classroom, you can sign in with your Google account, okay? And then let's see, so back here, let me X that one out. The next thing I have is this section here, and it says March 23rd through March 27th, which is this week. Our focus will be on fact fluency, multiplication facts, adding and subtracting fractions that have the same denominator, and comparing two fractions with like and unlike denominators. We're going to use these activities here to support you as you review these skills. So as you see, this week it's not anything new in math. It's all going to be review. We're going to make it light, and we have some fun activities because Lord knows we need some fun this week in our lives, don't we, boys and girls? All right, this first video is called Multiplication Strategy, and it's actually a YouTube video. It says it's 8 minutes. If you click on this video, it's going to sound like this. Got a good beat, doesn't it? And as you're watching it, it's going to give you strategies. It's going to give you strategies on how to decompose some numbers, because we're really good at 2s and 5s and 10s, but when we get to our 3s and sometimes our 4s and our 6s, 7s, that's when we kind of struggle. So pay attention to these strategies over here to the right and think and learn these facts and say these facts. This is a great way to learn some new strategies and get more proficient in your fact fluency. All right, I'm going to turn that off. Go back over to our screen. All right, so I want you to do that every single day, your multiplication strategies. All right, then you have 2 videos that I've already uploaded to YouTube that are, the links are here. One is on how to compare fractions, and if you click on this one, you'll see me using the number line strategy, and we also know how to change the denominators on both of those. So if you are having trouble, remember to email me, let me know, and when we meet on Wednesday, this is something that I can cover when we have our class meeting. Just let me know if you're having trouble on comparing fractions, okay? I am here for you guys. This other video is fraction concepts, and this video is the one that teaches you how to do mixed to improper, improper to mixed. It talks about unit fractions, decomposing fractions, etc. So that's a short little, 6-minute video, but that'll refresh your memories because it's been a while since we've been in class together. And after you've done those reviews, and maybe you can practice a few problems, I want you to go up here. This is a fun game. It's called Fruit Splash. Now, if you notice, it says it's I need to enable my Adobe Flash Player here. And so what I have to do is I go up here to my, where is it? Is it this? Oh, right here. Nope, not right there. Sorry. I think it's this one. Well, oh, allow. That was easy. Sorry, made it complicated. So here is the game. It's called Fruit Splat Fraction Addition. So here we're going to be adding fractions with like denominators. And it has different levels. Level 1A is just adding 2 fractions with the same denominator. And your challenge would be level 1B. It's where you have to simplify. So you might add and get 4/8, but that's not one of your answer choices. So you have to remember that to simplify, you have to use division. And we know that 4/8 and 1/2 are equivalent fractions. So let's just look at it real quick. There's a time mode and there's relax mode. I would start with the relax mode, and as you get better and you remember how to do your comparing fractions and adding fractions, then you can speed it up and challenge yourself. Okay? All right, back to, and do that every day. That's just a fun game to play, and it's just going to make you better. And after that, here's a quiz. This is not a quiz that I created, but it is a quiz that I found on internet site, a teacher site. So if you click on this, you're going to want to go to right here where it says practice, solo practice. Not these other ones. Use the green button, click that on, and then click play right here. When you get there, you can, I'm not going to do an account, so I'm just going to X that out. And then your quiz will start, and you can click play again right here. And it's going to count down for you. And it will give you questions. And it's multiple choice. Read the question. It's not timed. It has 14 questions, and it will keep up with how well you did. It will even let you go back and change one of your answers. So have fun with that. And let's get back to our screen here. Now, those are your activities that are going to help support your learning in what we've already learned in class. Now, when you've completed and viewed all the links above and you feel very good about what you're doing, you can take your quiz. And down here is your fraction quiz. It says Miss Ivory posted a new assignment fraction quiz. And you'll click on that link, and oh, I forgot how to do that. I'm learning too, boys and girls. This is all new to all of us. So let me go back here. Let me go to classwork. And here's fraction quiz. I want to look at view the assignment. That's what I meant to do. No! Okay, I did this when I was playing. There it is. Sorry about that. It'll work for you guys because you guys are a lot more tech savvy than I am. I'm getting there though. All right, so you only have 4 questions and they're multiple choice questions. Please don't guess. Please use your models that are available for you. And remember your symbols, greater, less, and equal. And so number 1 is a fraction strip model. Number 2 has a circle model. And then number 3 and 4 are adding and subtracting fractions. And these are actual questions that we may have seen already. Once you finish that, hit the submit button, please. Submit that to Miss Ivory and then I can see your work, okay? And let's get back over here and back to here and back to here. Sorry about that. And the last thing, which I think is pretty cool, is this activity right here that Miss Jones created for us. And I want you to scroll through it, and it's actually some fun activities that you can do with paper, pencil, dominoes, or cards, or dice. And if you don't have dice or dominoes, you can find free apps on your cell phone that will roll dice for you. So get those things out, or paper and pencil, and read through these slides, and the directions are all there on how to play these activities that will reinforce your skills in fractions. And remember that math is fun. We will check back with you on Wednesday. We have our 12 o'clock Zoom meeting. I've sent your parents the code, and we'll meet every Wednesday. But if you feel like you need to meet with me before then, email me, let me know, and we can set up a one-to-one Zoom meeting, just me and you. Have a great day. Enjoy your week. I love you guys. Miss you so much. I'd much rather be at school with you guys. But we'll get through this. Bye.